Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The girl VanessaK7 is back with another video. You're gonna love this video. It's a makeup transformation, a bit of a hair transformation as well actually, because I have got some new products. If you're new to my channel, hello. So if you're new here and you want to stay here, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell so that you're notified of another VanessaK7 video. So it's gonna be makeup hair transformation. You guys are not ready. Let's get straight into it. And also, in case anyone hasn't noticed, I got some claws, okay? I got some claws. I did a vlog going to do my nails at a black owned business, guys. Stop. Stop. So let's get into it. I'm a bit excited today. I'm always excited when I film, but you guys already know that, I'm sure, because okay, I get to be talking to you guys again. I'm here to see you guys again. It gets exciting, okay? Everything will be in the description box. Let's start with this hair because I am not feeling it. Oh, makeup transformation. In with my primer. Familiar with this primer, so let's not delay the process. Right, I get really oily around these sides. Do you know what's so funny, guys? I'll be honest with you, my skin has really changed over the years. Like, you know, you don't see change happening, but then you're just like, hold on, this don't actually work for me anymore. I used to get so oily, like my makeup, as soon as it's on, it's dripping off. But I seem to be a combination skin tone now. I have something to show you. My subscribers, my viewers who watched my last makeup video where I did a natural makeup look with no nose contour, if you watch that video, you will understand this video much more. I have a surprise for you guys. You guys are going to be so proud of me. You're going to like this video. You're going to be that proud. You're going to be that proud. Okay, listen. Got a new foundation. We are now wearing new Caledonia. My old shade, Marquises, that you guys said was not my foundation match. And I didn't want to believe it, but then I watched that video and I saw the comments and I was like, you guys were right. Like, without a doubt. This was the old one, Marquises. This is the new one. Look very similar, but they're not. And I'm going to show you guys in this video why I love you guys so much and why YouTubers need to learn that not everything is hate. Some people are genuinely trying to advise you and help you. Thank you guys so much. Although it was expensive and it hurt my pockets, I had to, because if there's one thing you have to make sure matches, it's your foundation. Like, without a doubt. So I thought, I can't have people saying my foundation's too light and I'm still out here rocking it. There was no way. I got the shade and I was like, this is it. You guys are the best. Who would have thought it'd be your subscribers and viewers matching your foundation? Alright, I know you guys can't wait to see this on me. I can't wait to see it on me either. What? Have I even put on foundation? Look at the match. I haven't even put it on my neck yet. You guys were right, man. I'm so sorry. Do you know what? The thing is, do you know what? I'm still going to use my old shade because I feel like my skin will go a tiny bit lighter in the winter, as it does, as everyone's pretty much does. So I will keep that for winter time because it works. That shade wasn't completely off. It did work, but this is like perfect. Create a chiseled thing going here. You know, sometimes my makeup just depends on my mood. I'm feeling like a bit before. I'm not going to actually contour with my contour stick because now your girl has bronzer. I got the bronzers, honey, okay? So I'm gonna bronze more than I contour, do you know what I mean? this brown. This is my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Ibiza palette. I'm going to take this brown here because I always like to put a brown before I go in with colour, just to neutralize everything a bit. So I don't know what I'm saying, but you'll get my drift. So I like to basically set, it also sets the foundation I put on my lid as well, but it brings some warmth before I go in with some colour. So that's what we're doing today. See, I'll just go in a circular motion and follow my eyelid shape. So it's just to warm it up. I just want to warm up my eyelids. It's the main palette we're going to focus on, which is the LA Girls Neons eyeshadow collection. It has some really nice blue, well, some really nice blues in there that I want to use. So this, because I don't want this to become too harsh. That's what always happens. So I know I'm setting the rest of my face, but this bit needs to be rubbed because it's not going to disappear the way I want it to if I don't put it out on my eyelids. So, and I don't want to be shy with the colour because I always seem to be a bit shy. I know my eyelids are small already, but I'm always a bit shy. It's like I'm shy of the eyeshadow. What is going on? So I'm just going to draw it in a circular motion. That. That's this blue here. It's like a royal blue. It's really, really nice. It's really going to bring out a lot of colour. You lot will love to see this. It said colour. It said, you want colour? You got colour. And with this palette, sorry, and go with this black. It's more jet black. I think that black had a hint of blue in it, and that's gonna ruin my look because I want literally just black. Yeah, this is better. Okay, cool. Take a new eyeshadow brush and blend. This is the bit that's gonna make me magic. So I can get a smoky effect. I love a smoky effect, I do. So just blend away, guys, until you have a smoky. Oh my god, when I mixed in that black, it gave me a little bit of a teal colour going on. It's not dead black, it's like a teal smoke. It's still nice, but it's just a little wow. Precise brush again, and then go in with that same blue just on top of the eyelid where it may have taken out any bold colour. Yes. White shade, this white powdery shade here from the same palette, and I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye. You guys will love it. That's strong, boy. This palette again, but if you have a palette that had like a glittery, this is a kind of like a glittery blue, I'm just going to add that for effect. And I'm going to take this like glitter blue and place it like, let me come in a bit closer, just near my eyelashes, not all over the eyelids, if you're doing a wing liner with it. So I only want this glittery blue close to my eyelashes, not all over the lid, guys, just as if you're doing a wing liner, but you're not doing a wing liner because you're not going to wing it out. We're going to do our wing liner. Right under the wing liner, I'm going to put setting powder just to clean up nice. It's really, really light eyelash glue. It's literally peel off. That's how light it is. It's not strong, guys, so you can use it for like sticking down eyeshadow, gems, glitter. And I just place it very lightly, kind of in the same place I put the royal blue eyeshadow, like this. And then I want the eyeshadow to be confused with the smoke eye, so that's what I'm doing this. And you can see the royal blue a bit more now that I've applied that. You can see it a lot more now, actually. Eyeshadow under my waterline. Oh, in love. You can use the matte blue, royal blue, but I'm going to go in with this sparkly blue because I want to balance everything out. I have a lot of matte blue going on at the top, so why not use the electric blue. I'm going to start off harsh here and then use a very light hand when I move it towards my tear duct. Oh, light hands, very light here. And I'm going to take a little bit of the black, just as if like I have like black eyeliner on or something. I'm going to take that over the blue, and again a light hand when I'm coming towards the tear duct. So you just wipe away all of concealer. Bronzing, of course, okay. To love the warmth it brings. Oh god, to die for. Oh my gosh, warmth, the warmth is showing. My highlighter. Let me line my lips because I'm tired of, I'm tired of looking like I have no lip line because I don't. Just gonna marry everything together now so I have no harsh lines. This is my favorite brush. It literally don't have no product on it, but it just marries everything in together. So this lip cream from Revolution, it's quite light. Which one out of these? Oh guys, I wish this was interactive because I need you guys' help. Which one? Let's do both. This is like a brown, not too clear, but let's go. And this is like a light nude, literally a dash of pink, and it's eyelash time, so I'm gonna put on my lashes. Yeah, let's gloss it up. With bronzer these days, I just be bronzing for fun. Could add a little bit more bronzer, to be honest with you. I bet you guys are like, ooh, she knows how to use bronzer now, so she's doing the most. Yes, yes, I am doing the most because I know how to use the bronzer, okay? That's all for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I love doing it. It was so different, you know, something new. Color, when it works, when you do looks, just making it all work is such a big deal. I love this look. No harsh contour, a lot of bronzing, but a lot of balance in this look. Hope you guys enjoyed it so much because I enjoyed filming it for you. Add me, follow me on Instagram as well because I like to do little IG makeup transformations as well. But this one, I think so far so favorite. So give this video a thumbs up for, first of all, for you guys giving me the right foundation, and also for this look as well. If you liked it, share the video as well. Help us this out with a blue eyeshadow look if she wants to try it. And I'll definitely be back here with another video. You guys already know the drill. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.